This is Afro English Yuka. Today I'm going to bring for you most important topics in the grammar sessions. Basically, this is very usual prepositions we can use in daily conversations in grammar too. So let's begin with I just give you on this lesson, I just give you some important things regarding this preposition. So just let's begin with the in. In, we use in inside something, or it may be space, it may be areas, it may be time period. So a place, for example, we use a place inside of something. Place, for example, it may be, that place may be the room, that place may be car, that place may be the country, that may be city, that place may be pool, that place may be the home, something like that. So at that time we have to use in. For example, here there is the example here. She is in the room. Look, there is the room. I live in Ethiopia, I live in Canada, I live in Japan, like that. They are in the car. So in here, before a specific place, we have to use in. This is the first thing you should consider. When we use in, insert something, we use in. Number two, time period. When you use in, for example, we use a long period of time. For example, that long period is called in months. In every month, every 12 months we are gonna use in April, in June, in summer, in something like that. At that time we have to use in. In the year 2025 to 2026, something like that. Before a year we have to use in. We use in for season. We use in for season. In summer, in spring, in autumn, in winter. So at that time we have to use in the parts of the day, in the morning and the afternoon we have to use in. For example, here there are the examples. I was born in 2000. He will travel in July. He was a travel in July. He studied in the evening. So in the evening. So at that time we have to use what? It is in. Nice. Number two, we use in for what? Situations or conditions. For example, I'm not in good situation. Same like I'm in trouble, I'm in love, I'm in danger. I'm in love. They are in good situation, situations. At that time we use in. For example, we have to express situations or conditions, circumstance, scenario. At that time we have to use what? In trouble, in love, in danger. So there is the example here. We can understand easily from the use of in. The other one is the preposition on. Preposition on basically used for surface and specific days on dates. Basically we use on for the surface of something or specific days. Or for example, the first one is the place. On the surface of something, we're gonna use on the table, on the wall, on the floor. Again I repeat it. On the table, on the wall, on the floor. Example, I put all keys on the table. Look, on the table. At that time we use on. The picture is on the wall. So at that time we have to use on. The other time we use on days and date, all days. Monday up to Sunday we have to use on the days. We use on Monday, on Tuesday, on Friday, something like that. Dates, on date we have to use on July 15th 2025, something like that. At that time we use what? We use on. The other one, the use of on is technological media. For example, we use technological or media on TV, on internet, on the phone. So at that time we use on. Technological or media issues on the TV, on the internet, on the phone. That's good. The other one remaining preposition is preposition at. Basically, we use this preposition basically at exact time and exact place. Exact time, and at that time we're gonna use at the door, at the bus stop, at the home. Like example here. Example. The guard uh, guard is at the door. The guard is at the door, something like that. See, the specific place, we're gonna use what? You're gonna use at a specific place, at a specific time period. At, for example, at a specific time place, we're gonna at home, at school, at the door gate. So like that time you have to use at. Basically, the time period for at sharp 9, at noon, at 9. At that time we have to use exact time. We have to use. The other one is events or locations. Basically, locations, event touch. Basically, at the concert, at the concert, at the wedding, wedding. So at that time, specific situations we have to use at. So the main issues today we learn about what? We learn about at, on, and at. So let me give you a question for you. You're gonna do it and fill it by using at, on, in. This is a question for you. You're gonna do it for you on and comment it. Number 1, I wake up dash 6 a.m. The first question is, second, she is dash the kitchen. Number 3, we have meeting dash Monday. This is for number 4, the cat is dash table. This is the questions to you, so fill it the gap, fill the blank space, and just aware me on your comment section. Thank you very much. This is Afro English. Subscribe my channel, please. I will give you such kind of items or preparation for you. Welcome. Thank you very much.